Hi Dave, hi June. Here you go. This is my Lincoln Town Car, 2001, 5.7 litre V8. Runs lovely and smooth. Get about 22 to the gallon, so it's not bad for a V8. All leather interior, very comfortable, very nice. It has what's fondly known over here as a mafia trunk. Will take at least 10 dead bodies. So there it is. This is my new baby. Okay, here's the workbench that I told you about. Partially finished. Still got to do some painting. But we're nearly there. So I'll get that done, and when it's finished I'll film it again and you can see the end product. As you can see, got a lot of shit I gotta put away. Well, there we go, just a few more odds and sods and this is finished. I managed to store away a lot of stuff underneath, which is what I wanted, so nearly done. Okay, here's my workbench finished now, except for a second coat on the light brown there. You can see the blue tape still on it, but everything's in place now. It's all ready to start using. So it's turned out real nice. Garage looking a lot tidier now. Now I've been able to store a lot of stuff away. So kids got more room to play now.
Water in this part.
Whoever said it doesn't rain in Southern California, well, they lied. This is a result of 1.5 hours of rain. And that's probably all we're going to get this year.